New pickup in today from Kith. This was a Kith and Calvin Klein collab. This was from the Monday program that Kith always has, and this took a while to get here. It got, I think, like 3 weeks for them to ship it out, so yeah, it took a while. Got the Monday program bag. Receipt down there. Have it. Kith Monday program, size medium. Kith Calvin Klein tea and white. Retail was $65. There's a little timer right there. Take a look at the tea. Bang bang. Calvin Klein, size medium, white. You have the tags. Calvin Klein tag. And this Kith Monday program. It just has the graphic. Calvin Klein times Kith. That's about it on this tee. Nothing on the back, but yeah, this is the t-shirt. Grabbed it on the Monday program. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe. More videos coming in soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.